Today's the day, y'all. We're in the chicken coop, and Mike Steyer, who takes care of everything outside of this house, and a lot of things inside too. Sometimes, don't you?
Sometimes.
Those computer things. So Mike knows these chickens probably better than any of us, and he named 5 of them, didn't you? You named 5 of them. So we asked y'all to send us some recommendations. So y'all did. And we had some belly laughs over some of the names that y'all sent. And I'm going to tell you what they all are. So let's go on in, Mike. Mike cleaned up the coop so good. Let's leave that. Is everything shut here?
Everything's shut.
Okay, let's leave this door open. Let's leave this door open and let them come out if they want to. All right, now we had 2 red ones to name. Where are the blondes?
No, the 2 blondes. It's the 2 blondes.
The 2 blondes. Okay. All right. These were the most recommended. Lucy and Ethel, Blanche and Rose from the Golden Girls, Butter and Grits, Laverne and Shirley, and Goldie Hawn was mentioned several times, and I love that name. Goldie and her man came to our house a few years back. They were looking at houses to build, so they wanted to see what ours turned out like. So
Kurt Russell.
Yeah, and Kurt, yes, so sweet. But we decided on Lucy and Ethel because they're actually, we're calling them blonde, but they're kind of red. So Lucy. Now the white one, we had Paula Dina, Dolly Parton. No, Dolly Parton. I love that name, Dolly Parton. And Sophia from the Golden Girls, Marilyn Monroe, and Clarice from Steel Magnolias. Clarice. So we picked Dolly because Dolly is such a sweet woman, a funny woman, and
she shares your birthday.
Yeah, we share the same birthday. So I love her very much, and she is highly regarded. So you're right up there with my chickens, Dolly. Of course, you all know that Phyllis Diller is now Phil Diller. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. We wondered why the reaction with him and the other chickens would, the way they reacted to each other, and now we know why.
Phil was getting ready to go to the farm.
Yeah, because we don't have time to raise a bunch of chickens, do we, Mike? A bunch of little chicks, although it would be precious and cute, but no, thank you. So
the black and white one.
The black and white one is one of the suggestions was Miss Weezer and Miss Scarlett and Liza with a beak. Instead of Liza with a Z, it's Liza with a beak. The black and brown one.
No, that's the black and brown one, Liza with the beak.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. The black and white
one.
Did we? Page. You didn't finish that one.
Oh. So the most suggestions came in was Dorothy from the Golden Girls, Cruella, and Domino. But you know what? I want to honor a friend of mine that was one of the nicest people you could ever hope to meet. And in fact, we recently lost her and her talent and her kindness, her sweetness, Loretta Lynn. So the black and white one is Loretta. All right, Mike.
And that's it until we get two. We should have two
Yes.
silkies coming.
Yes. So the people that we bought the chickens from, we called and said, "Uh-oh, there's a rooster in the bunch." And so they said, "Well, we'll come get her and bring you two female, yes, Polish chickens." I think he's so beautiful, and he just walks around with that hair. Just it's so cute. So, Mike, all right, now show us what you've named the others. This is so unsteady out here. I get scared.
That one's Cher right here.
That's Cher
Sunny.
and Sunny, okay.
The one over there by the black and white, that black one, that's Dino.
Dino, like is in Dino Martin.
What's that?
Like the Flintstones.
Yeah.
You can see our age difference. I thought of Dean Martin.
Dino. And then we got Elizabeth right here.
The black one with a bigger comb.
And of course, Phil.
Yeah. And Phyllis Dilla, who has turned out to be a Phil. Y'all want to go out, chickies? Y'all come on. Come on, let's go out and walk for a second. Come on, let's go. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Come on. Yeah. I got my eye on her. Although she didn't bother him yesterday at all. Get a handful of worms, Mike, and that'll get them out. Bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Come here. Yeah, they love getting out and walking around, Eddie. I like for them to get out and get a little exercise. Come on, Lou. Let's go. You're scaring the chickens. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Lulu. There you go. That's a sweet girl. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark. So I want to thank y'all so much for helping us out. Some of the names were just hilarious, and thank you for having fun with us. Y'all came up with some great names. So, having said all that, I send y'all love and best dishes and lots of eggs. Oh my goodness, I can't keep up with the eggs, y'all. You're doing so many, except for Phil. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.